What if you could get back 10 hours every single week? Most small business owners spend hours doing repetitive tasks like copying data, sending emails, and updating spreadsheets. In this video, I'll show you a make automation that handles all of that automatically. Here, click run once. Everything is done. Now, first of all, I'm gonna see my Google. Here we have in the database the name Emma, the email, the phone. This is the comment, okay? The complete comment. And here it was sent, okay? We have, hi Emma, we have received your email and we respond soon. Alright, perfect. Here we have, this is the summary that ChatGPT made from the comment of the client, right? That's all. Right, your business receives just 5 to 10 inquiries per day. Manual processing each one of can easily consume several hours every week, and that becomes a problem because you can do any other thing most important, or you forget to respond them, and here becomes a great problem. Well, this is the flow chart that we're gonna use for this example, for this automation. First of all, we'll use a Google form. From here, we're gonna receive all the inquiries of our clients or customers. Then we're gonna save this information in a Google form in a Google Sheet, and we're gonna give them an answer by email. In other hand, we're gonna use ChatGPT to analyze this message that we receive from our clients, and depending on this, we're gonna save this information in our calendar. This way, we're gonna receive in our cell phone or computer if you are use. Okay, well, we're gonna start create this workflow from scratch. So go back and then here we go. Create a new scenario. And here, the first module, Google Forms. And select what's your responses. The form ID. Well, we'll go here and go to Google Forms. You can create a new from zero, but for this example, I'm gonna create this contact information that we created in another video. Okay, here we have the name, an email, phone number, and comments. Okay, well, now go back to make.com, and in this part, I'm gonna paste the form ID. How you will get the form ID? Go to Google Form, and here, go to the link and copy this part. Okay, the part after the D and before edit. Just copy this part and paste here. Okay, that's all. And remember, the name was contact information. Alright, click save. From now on, in the next module, I'm gonna save this information in our database. For this example, we're gonna use Google Sheet. Add a new row. In the same way, you can go and here you can create a new database. You can type here a name and fill out all these fields. The name, the phone, the message. Well, depending on what you need. For this example again, I'm gonna use this one that we created in a previous video. Okay, well, the name is lead magnet. So go back here, connect your account, and in this part, I'm gonna search the spreadsheet name. It's lead magnet. This is the name of our spreadsheet. Select this. Alright. The name of the sheet name. Sheet 1. And here we have. Now, and in this part, the name. Okay, the email, phone number, comments. But first of all, I'm gonna run this module in order to we can get the values here. 3, 2, 1. So, okay, go here and click run this module. So, I'm gonna go here to Google Form, copy the link, and I'm gonna make a simple test here. Name, Thomas, for example, email, Thomas, the phone number, and comment, hi, I'm gonna submit this. Go to make the come, and now I'm gonna run only this module. Alright, here we have the answer. This answer. Now I'm gonna select in Google Sheets module. Click here again here. The name was lead magnet. Sheet 1. And here the name. Value. The email. The value. The phone. Value. And finally, here in the comments, in this part, value. And here I'm gonna send. Okay, alright, that's all. Click save. And here, the next module, I'm gonna use Google email in this example. I'm gonna send an email to the customer, connect your account, the subject, we say hi, the name, and in this part, in the content, I will say something like, we have received your email and we respond soon. A brief response here. Okay, click save. I need to complete the field. Alright, here in this part, obviously, the email of the client. Here. Alright, perfect. That's all. Click save. And now I'm gonna use AI. You don't need to pay for any other AI. You can use if you want ChatGPT, Cloud, depending of the AI that you prefer. You can use here and completely free. Just go here and type OpenAI. I'm gonna use ChatGPT for this example and select the first option, simple text prompt. Remember, it's completely free. Select the model. For this simple example, I'm gonna use GPT-5. Here, in the text prompt, I'm gonna use something simple like write a very short and to the point summary of what the topic here it's about. It comes from the inquiry that the client has. Okay, it comes from here, from the first module, from the Google form, comments, and the value. Okay, that's all. Right, click save again. And now, the last module that I'm gonna have here, it's Google Calendar. What we're gonna do here is create an event the same way as all. Connect your Google account. For this example, I want to create quickly calendar ID. I'm gonna select my primary calendar, and in this part, event name. It will comes from the ChatGPT module. The result. Okay, I'm gonna click save, and well, that's all. Perfect. Now I'm gonna make a test. All right, we'll keep her. We have here all. Now I'm gonna go again here in my Google form. I have one response here. I only need to delete and start from zero again. Okay. Well, I'm gonna copy the link, paste here, and here we need to complete again. Okay, I'm gonna use another name. In this case will be Emma. But for this real example, I'm gonna use my own email, okay, in order to we can see the real results. Okay, the phone number you can invent for this example, and the comment, will depend of your client. Your client can have different comments. Sometimes it could be so long, or maybe it can be short. Okay, for this example, I'm gonna use something like this. Hello. The comments say, hello, I would like to schedule a meeting with you. Where are you available? Also, I will appreciate your attention regarding a matter I need help with. Okay? Well, that's all. Complete. And your client or customer will submit this. Click here. Alright. Now go back to make the call. And here, click run once. Alright. Everything is so fast. ChatGPT is analyzing, and well, everything is done. Now, first of all, I'm gonna see my Google Sheet. Here we have in the database the name Emma, the email, the phone. This is the comment, okay, the complete comment, and and here it was sent. Okay, now I'm gonna look my Gmail account. This will receive the client. Go here, and here we have, hi Emma, we have received your email and will respond soon. Alright, perfect. And finally, I'm gonna see my Google Calendar. On this part, I have here my Google Calendar. Here we have, this is the summary that ChatGPT made from the comment of the client. Request to schedule a meeting, asking your availability, and seeking help with an issue. Okay, alright, that's all. Perfect. Now, remember, here we have used all these modules, but if you prefer, you can use another Google Form. For this example I'm using, but you can use Tally, or if you have a website in WordPress, you can use that module, or you can use WhatsApp. Then, as a database, we are using Google Sheets. Remember, everything here is free, but if you want, you can use Hotspot. You can use another database. Okay, Gmail and ChatGPT. I'm using here free. You can use the same way free too. But if you want, you can use Gemini. You can use Cloud. Well, it will depends of your needs. And Google Calendar. Okay, well, that's all. If you want a blueprint or template, you can find in the description. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video, and if you have any question, feel free to leave them down below, and stay tuned for more. See you in the next video.